trying this out for the first time. See how well it works. This is everything that comes in the box. Little bag. These are the packaging and instruction manual. Wish I would come up with this idea. Very simple one. Item cost me $50 at B&H. It's made for iPhone X, and it takes advantage of your front-facing camera and your back-facing camera. And I guess with the app, it stitches. It uses both cameras at the same time. It does a 360 picture. No electronics, no batteries, no nothing. Slide it on, run the app, and it presto, 360 picture and video, to my understanding.